RAM using Mastercam for the component shown in this to be machined as shown in the figure. Now to do that, first we will go to Mastercam, go to machine type, click on lathe, click on default. Now we'll go for a line and take 0, 0, 0, enter. Then we need to take this 15 mm. So 15 mm diameter means it is 7.5. So here you take 7.5 and angle is 90. So then we have offset distance which is 91. So go to Xform, go to offset, take the distance as 91 and you offset this till here. Then go to fit. So again go to line, take endpoint to this endpoint. Then we have offset by 10. Then go to Xform, offset by 10 from here. Then again we have 18, so that means it should be 9. So from here you offset by 9. Then go to extend this line till here. Then go to create, go to arc by endpoints. So take this endpoint with reference to this endpoint. Then the radius is 12. So retain the top portion. So go to trim this line till here, and then you delete this line. So you let it be. Then go to and take 18 mm from here. 18. That is Xform. So take offset, take 18, and from here you offset by 18. Then we have, so you just then we go for 10 mm here, again 10. So go to Xform, go to offset, take 10, from here 10, and again from here you take 10. So again we say offset 14.5. So again you just take 14.5 from here. So you then extend this line till here. Then go to line, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Then again endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Then erase this line here. Then go to trim this line till here, and again you draw a line from here on this side. Then we have, again you take 18 mm offset, then go to Xform, offset, take 18 mm from here. Then go to trim this line till here. Then you have 15 mm again. So go to Xform, offset, take 15 mm from here. And then this line is offsetted till 14 mm diameter, 28 mm diameter. So go to Xform, so go to offset and take 28 and go to extend this line till here. And now you go to arc by endpoints, take this endpoint with reference to this endpoint and take the radius as 20. Take the radius as 20 and you retain this portion of this end portion and then go to accept. Similarly you go to extend this line till here, then go to trim this line till here. So this is how you will be able to write the model, generate the model, and you erase all these entities. You erase this. Similarly you erase this and this and this and this. So you erase this. Once you do that, now we will going to apply the settings now. So to do that, So go to properties, click on files, click on tool settings, enable from material, go to stock setup, go to properties, make from 2 points, you select this point and to this end point you take this and give the length as 91, and then use margins, OD margin as 2, right margin as 15 and the left margin as 5, and then click on OK, click on check jaws left spindle, click on OD1, from stock take the grip length as 1 and then say OK, then click on tick mark. So this is the settings what we do. Now we go for the machining operations. So go to tool paths, click on facing, click on tick mark. So TR0 point rough 80 degrees, per minute. So click face parameters. So rough step over as 0.5 and then click on OK. So now it will go to do the facing operation. So once it does the facing operation, now we will go for the roughing operation. So to do that, click on tool paths, click on roughing, click on partial weight, click on this radius and come down to this, only this portion you take. Again you take this and say OK. Click on T01, this is the same thing. Go to rough parameters, per minute. So go to rough parameters and enable the depth of cut to 0.5, 0.5, and then stock leaving X and stock leaving Z should be 0.2, and then go to right tick. So this is how it will do the roughing operation. And similarly you go to click on tool paths, click on finish, click on partial weight, again you take this portion, again have this, come down to this and say OK, then take per minute. So here take T1212 or 0.855 degrees, go to per minute and take the feed rate as 0.25 and then go to finish parameters, finish step over as 0.5 and the number of finish passes as 2 and say right click. So once you do this, now we will go for the grooving operation. So click on tool paths, click on groove, click on OK, click on partial weight, click on this. So you take this side, on this side, on this side, on this side. So click on this. Now here we want T47, 47 WOD groove narrow right. Then click on groove of parameters. Stock amount is 0. Stock leaving X is 0.2. Stock leaving Z is 0.2. Then click on groove finish parameters. Number of finish passes as 2 and the step over as 0.5. And then go to right tick. So now the grooving operation will going to take place. So once you do that, now so here once you warning, so yes, so once you do that, now we'll go for the threading operation. So to do that, go to tool paths, click on thread. So click on thread, click on T93 or click on 93 or 0.072. 93. So click on 93 or 0.2 left, or is it right small? 93 left. All right, okay. All right, then click on thread shape parameters. Thread shape parameters. Click on thread shape parameters. Change the start point to -15. and the end position as -28, and enable per thread, change the lead to 2. Click on select from table and come down to M18. Click on this, say OK. Click on right. So now the threading operation takes place here. Once you do that, now we'll go for tool and say OK and type 1 and say right tick. Yes. So this is how you will be able to generate the program by using the Mastercam for M&G codes. Once you do this, so now we'll go for verified operations. So come down to this. So we're going to reduce this speed and say OK. So now this is the simulation, what it will going to take. And now the facing operation is being done. Then we will go for the roughing operation. So this is the roughing operation. And then, so still the roughing operation is being taking place. Now the finishing operation for this. Now the gluing operation has been done. Now, so here, this is the threading operation. Threading operation has been done. So this is how you will be able to finish the profile. So this is how you will be able to get the operation done. So now again I'm going to show this with a speed so that we will be having this portion which will be shown in isometric view in this part, and this red shows it is only, that is the warning what it has been received when you are doing in the simulation. So this is how you will be able to generate the